So this video shows how to find number of containers in a Kubernetes pod. So let me list all the pods in this kube-system namespace. This is a result. So in this result, here you can see the name of the pods. Then ready. So in ready, you can see something like 3/3. That means this pod has 3 containers. Those 3 containers are ready. Then 4/4 means this pod has 4 containers and all those 4 containers are ready. So by checking this ready column, from this ready column you can identify how many containers are there in this particular pod. Just select the pod and check the ready column. For example, as per this ready column, this pod has 3 containers, right? So let me check it. So you can just copy the pod name and run kubectl describe pods, then name of the pod. So you have to specify the name of the namespace. Okay, then in this result just check the containers section. So under containers section you can see heapster, it is a first container. Then from to SD, this is the second container. Then scroll down, you can see heapster nanny, that is the third container. So let me show you some couple of commands which print only the name of the containers in a particular pod. So here I am going to print the containers in this pod. So for that we can use this command kubectl get pods, name of the pod, then -o, then just use these things, then name of the namespace. Basically it will show 2 columns. In one column name of the container, name of the pod, in the second column all the containers in comma separated format. So let me execute this. So it is missing here. Okay. Okay, you can see the output here. So here you can see the name of the pod, then here name of the containers in that pod in comma separated format. You can see the 3 containers. So let me try another. Let me try this, copy this. So that contains 4 containers, that pod. So as per this ready column, this pod has 4 containers, right? So let me execute it. See, just 4 containers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this way we can find number of containers in a pod, and we can list all those containers. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.